Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a closer look at the new release from Bburago at the 1/18 scale, the Formula 1 car from 2025 with Lewis Hamilton at the wheel. They also released the Charles Leclerc variant as well, but I haven't got it. I will review it when I will get it. Of course, it's a metallic model, no features except for turning wheels. And let's start in the front. Everything looks pretty good. The wing looks quite okay. We have the Ferrari logo and the sponsors logos looking quite good. I don't know what they did to the suspension. I think they tried a different setup for this release, and the wheels kind of stay pretty awkward. You can see they move a bit, so they tried, I think, a functional suspension on this model, but when you have the car in the air, the suspension looks kind of funny. Other than that, I think everything looks pretty good. We have the tires and the wheels looking quite nice. We have P0 and Pirelli written on them. Also we have the antennas here. The side pod looks quite good, and also the floor here with the carbon fiber texture. We also have the driver in the cockpit. As I mentioned, this is Lewis Hamilton. I don't know exactly the race, but looks pretty good with the yellow helmet. And in the back everything looks pretty good. We have the diffuser and the huge wing, and also have the slick tires as well. And underneath the model we have some details and also a lot of carbon fiber texture. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about the model? For me, it's a bit annoying with the front wheel setup. They look kind of strange, but other than that, I think it looks pretty good. It's a bit pricey for now, but I guess in half a year, 1 year, it will drop massively because they will announce the new models from 2026. So tell me in the comments if you're gonna get it now, or you are gonna wait for the prices to drop. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.